Okay, welcome to RCHacker. Now today I've got with me, I'm doing the maiden of my FPV Raptor. I'm not doing any FPV, this is just line of sight, this is first flight. It's taken a while to build this and I've been playing around with putting the Ardu pilot in it, but I wasn't that successful with the Ardu pilot to account some issues it has with Mac OS. And I've got all my other gear in the car here, and okay, so I made this box up just for travelling with, and I've got a lid here, and basically the whole thing's held down with rubber bands and a few slots in there, and I can take that off there and take my wings out, and I've got my antenna in there as well. I'm using the LRS system, so I've got my Moxon antenna and this one which I've just made, which is a variation on the turnstile antenna. Let's pull that out there. This goes out the back of the plane. This is sort of it's a turnstile with a bit of an angle, and I've had the testing was good so far. And alright, let's go. I'm going to put this together and we'll see how we go. Oh, I'll show you also under the nose of the plane. Whoa. There's the camera hidden away under the nose, and if we pull the lid off, you can see the camera there, GPS there, FPV transmitter there, and take that off. Then we can see underneath here, this is where I've got the Ardu pilot and everything, and I had wires going from here with a big HDMI connection to connect to the base, and it just didn't work too well. I wasn't happy with it. I wasn't getting good signals. The signals were a bit weak, so I thought I'll forget the autopilot. I'm probably not going to use it anyway, and I'll just stick with using. Let's have a look. There's my open LRS in there, and the antenna runs down to the back to there where the other antenna fits on the tail. So I'll put this together and we'll go for a fly. Just talk about the site here. This is pretty hard, but it's flat. The road's just up there, and down there is the Pastaza River, and there's quite a lot of space here. It's pretty good. And right in front of me here, it's almost like a swamp with quite deep grass, which is great for an emergency landing. And out there there's softer grass. I should probably fly further out there so I can land it in front of me and do nicer landings, but for now I just wanted to be near the vehicle. And yeah, so that's the site. I'll expect to be doing a few more flights here, hopefully. I've got a mobile phone tower up there, which is interesting, and yeah, beautiful views up the valley. And it's one of those days, it was really low wind day and there's big thunderstorms brewing up above, but it'd be a good thermic day actually. Anyway, okay, so she's all together, and this is a maiden, and it's been a long time since I've done a maiden on anything like this. Bad luck filming it, but let's see how we go. Tasha, calm down. No! The dogs love chasing us. No! Well, at least it landed in the soft grass. I do have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery in this, so it's probably pretty heavy. I'm going to give it a bit of an elevator up trim, and I'll try again. I might even move the centre of gravity back a bit. Success. Alright, that was nerve-wracking. No! No! Slightly unscheduled landing up there. Took a hard knock, hope it's alright. Okay, so that landing, my antenna got a bit bent, but that doesn't matter. But the rudder took a whack on the landing, and it's torn itself off. So you know, I'll probably just fit some. It needs hinges anyway, so I'm probably going to hinge all the other surfaces while I'm at it. But well, it flies a lot faster than I thought it would. Like, I've never flown anything like this. As you know, on previously just gliders, that little flying wing and that 3D Raptor. So, you know, it's fairly heavy. I want to put more weight in this, so my plan was to maybe make a wing extension so it'll fly a bit slower, because currently it's very fast, and for where I want to fly it and where I want to land it and get it into, it's going to make it quite difficult. So I'm thinking that maybe make a wing extension so I've got over 2 meters wingspan that'll fly a bit more the way I like. But successful Maiden. I don't know what happened up the top there. I ran out of, basically stalled it, I ran out of speed, so rather than try and turn it, I just landed it up there a bit hard, and it was a bit far away, so I impacted it on the ground a bit hard. But you know, this nylon body is great. It is really strong, and it seems like the wing has taken a few bites out of leading edge there, but nothing fancy. It's just one of the servos resonating there. So cheers, thanks for watching.